This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, so today I want to show you a nice digital marketing trick, and more specifically a Google ad tip or trick that you can use. So if you want to duplicate a Google ad campaign, perhaps you have a very nice performing campaign and you want to use a different creative with the exact same campaign structure, you can duplicate that campaign and just change the creative. And that's what I want to show you today on how to do that. So in your overview, in your campaigns, go to campaigns right here on your dashboard. We had already covered this in the other Google ad videos, tutorials we did. I'll link them in the video. I'll put them in the description box. If you haven't watched how to create Google ad campaigns and YouTube ads, I'll put those in the description box below. So on your dashboard, just go to campaigns. You'll have all your campaigns here. Select the one you want to duplicate. Then I've clicked on it, so I come and click on the ad group and click edit. Select the ad group, click edit, and then say copy. And you can even use the keyboard shortcuts. That's Control-C for copy, and then paste it. So I've copied it. Then you can do Control-V for paste, or you can just select under edit and say paste. So now it will give you the option to do a quick edit before you paste the ad group. So I'll say pause the new ad group. You can have it run immediately, or you can pause the new ad group after pasting so that you can go through it if you want to go through it. So I'll say paste. Right, and my pasting is done. You can see right here it's paused, so it has the same exact structure as this other ad group. So what I'll do is I'll come and now edit the specifics that I want to edit. If it's the budget, if I want to edit the creative, I'll just click on that ad group, and then I can come and edit the creatives. For example, this was a video ad. Now if I want to use a different video but the same exact ad type with the keywords and everything being the same, the budget and everything, but just change the video, I come here and I say edit, so that I can now change that video and use a different video but for the same exact campaign. Okay, so here we go. So now I can come and change the video I'm using. If I want to change that video, I won't be changing anything, but this is just to show you. You can change the creative to what you want and then save and continue, and you'll have your new ad group running. Exact same ad group, but now you've only changed the creative. Okay, so here we are. Here is the ad. After I've changed the creative, I can come now and say enable, and now it will start running. But since I won't be using this, so I'll just go ahead and remove this, just delete it, because I won't be using it. It was just for training purposes. So that's been removed. So that's the ad group. We've duplicated the ad group. Now let's go back to all campaigns. Okay, here under all campaigns, and forgive my voice if it's a bit strained, just recovering from a cold. Those are the worst. Okay, so you do this. Okay, so the same applies. I've duplicated the ad group, so now I can come and duplicate the whole entire campaign. I'll just do the same thing. These are all my campaigns. Select the campaign, go to edit, say copy, and then do paste. And the same thing, it will ask you if you want to pause the new campaign after pasting. Yes. If you want to adjust the start and end dates. For example, this campaign was already running. If it was set to run continuously or until maybe the end of the month, and you want the new one to run in different timelines, you can just adjust the start and end date. Select start date if you want. If you don't select, it will start immediately after it's approved. So I won't select that and say I want you to run continuously. I'll say no end date. I'll select none. If I want a specific duration, I'll select the date. or you can also use the original duration of the first campaign you've duplicated. So say I want to say none and paste so that it runs continuously. So there we go. I've duplicated my campaign exactly as it is, and I've paused it so that if I want to make any changes to it, if I want to change the creative or the budget or something before it starts running, I can do that. But everything else is the same. So maybe say I want to adjust the budget and do $1 a day. I'll save, and then I'll come and say let me enable it for it to be live. And there we go. That's how you duplicate a campaign on Google Ads. I hope that's a useful trick and it has helped you. If it has, give this video a big thumbs up. If this has been helpful, if this has been informative and useful to you, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any questions regarding Google Ads or anything to do with digital marketing, comment below and I'll answer all of them. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and check out my digital marketing, branding and business playlist for all your digital marketing tips and tricks and tutorials. And I'll see you next time.